in a mentor meeting and you found yourself unsure of what to say to your mentor. If this is you, then you want to stay tuned to this video. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia Naika, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple 3-step framework that we can apply when we're in our mentorship meetings to ensure that we're having an interesting conversation, a value-based conversation, a knowledgeable conversation, and that we're enjoying the mentorship process as well. So a lot of the times we want mentorship, but we find ourselves unsure of what to say to our mentor. The first step is to build rapport. In any situation, you want to build rapport with who you're conversing with. When we're building rapport, we don't need to ask a personal question in order to do that. Simply asking our mentor how his or her day was is a great way to open up a conversation and ask a general question. When we practice building rapport with someone, we gain their trust, and it's a great way to break the ice when we're meeting someone relatively new. The second step is to build self-awareness. We build self-awareness by learning more about ourselves, and we can do that through doing activities by ourselves, which makes us discover more about our likes and our dislikes. Another way to build self-awareness is to ask for the opinion from people who we trust and who we value. So a great way to do this when you're in conversation with your mentor is to ask your mentor, how would they rate you as a leader? Ask your mentor, what are the key elements that they view that you can work on? Ask your mentor, what do they think are your biggest strengths? When we get the opinion of others who we value, who we respect, and who we admire, we can really take that message forward and apply it to developing ourselves as a better leader. The third step will engage our curiosity to ask powerful questions and promote storytelling. A way to do this with your mentor is to ask your mentor what is the biggest achievement that they've had in their entire career. Ask your mentor which part of their job do they really love. A great question to ask that revolves around storytelling is to ask your mentor what were their biggest challenges in their career. Your mentor can tell you about a time in their life where they were at a crossroad or faced a particular challenge and how they overcame it. Asking a powerful question to great leaders is a great way for us to learn, to develop new skills, and to become more comfortable in engaging with people. So the next time you find yourself in a mentorship meeting and you're unsure of what to say, use this simple 3-step framework to build rapport, to ask curious questions, evoke storytelling, and to build more self-awareness. As Jack Welch said, before you become a leader, success is more about growing yourself. After you become a leader, success is about growing others.